here's the footage side by side for both of these dash cams. I'm not going to tell you which is which just yet. I want you to kind of look and decide for yourself if you prefer the video quality for one over the other. So the dash cams that we're looking at is the 7D and the BOTSLAB. Both of these dash cams have rear cameras as well. I do want to point out that both of these were sent to me to make videos, but no one asked me to do a comparison video like this. The main reason I'm doing this is because they're both very popular on Amazon and they're both about the same price. So hopefully this video will help you determine if you like one over the other. If you're dying to know which is which, you can go ahead and skip to the end of the video where I show which one is which. But before I do that, I kind of want to show you what the setup is like so you can see if you prefer the setup for either of these dash cams. All right, so here we go. We've got the BOTSLAB over here, the 7D over here. Let's real quick just kind of look at the menu. You've got your navigation on the side. With these navigation buttons, you can view the files or you can go to settings. I'm going to go ahead and go to settings real quick. It's going to stop recording while we do that, but I'll just kind of show you the navigation. I don't want to go through all of the settings because they're generally the same for all dash cameras. But if we look at the 7D, you've got your navigation buttons down here. We can also view and play back, see photos or videos. Let's go ahead and go to settings. And I'm just going to kind of scroll through these as well so you can get an idea of what the menu navigation is like. If we go to video settings, then you can change some settings with video. And both of these dash cams do have apps that you can use to change settings or to download video files as well. The installation for these is totally identical. You just got to make sure that you use the electrostatic sleeve before you put on the dash cam with the adhesive tape. And here you go. Here's the footage that shows which dash cam is which. I'll go through and show you different lighting environments, different times of day, different areas. Go ahead and look and see the details, see if you have a preference for either of the cameras. And again, these are very similar in price, but prices change all the time. So I will let you look up to see which one is the less expensive of the two. So you can decide if you want to get the less expensive or if you have a preference based off the menu, setup, video quality. Personally, I think both of these dash cams work just fine. The main thing you want in a dash cam is simply to record the footage, get video evidence of an accident or something like that. And these both do also have parking mode. If you get the hardwire kits, you can wire these up so that when you're parking in the street or in a parking lot, if someone or something bumps into your vehicle, it will capture that footage as well. Both really great dash cams.